It's Remy and Cassius going at it here. Hey, Cassius. Ha! He got you. He got you. Oh, there goes Max. Max doesn't want anything to do with the plan. Wow. Remy's a runner, and we have some holes in the backyard here, so I have to keep the leash on him because he'll find those holes. Max doesn't care really. Max just likes to walk around. Hey, Max. What you doing, buddy? Why don't you go get them? Why don't you go get them? He's like, still going at it. Playing. Cassius is about, I think, two or 3 year old pit bull. Named after Muhammad Ali, of course. And loves Remy. Loves playing with Remy. Hey guys. Whew. Let him. Uh-oh. Hey guys. Oh, running. Uh-oh, Max is joining in. Max is like the mayor, they call him. He always jumps into the middle of the brawl. Makes some noise like that. Tries to break it up. But they're just having a good time. They mellow out. They're getting there. Nice. Hey, Cash. Oh, I thought they were over. Not quite. Max doesn't always want to play. He's 8, so he doesn't play like the other guys do. All right, guys, we done yet? Cash should play forever. Max just always makes those sounds. Ever since he was a pup, when he played, he always made those sounds. Some people are like, oh, what's he doing? But nah, he's just playing. Hey. Hello, Cash. Hello, Max. See you later, Rem.